how to find activation key for Ubisoft on Steam. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to locate your CD key for a Ubisoft game on Steam. So without further ado, let us begin. So Ubisoft has addressed this issue already. So to locate a CD key in Steam, so choose the game from your Steam library, and then after that select the cogwheel icon on the right, and then after that just click on choose, manage, and then CD keys. Note that the CD key option may not appear unless the game is already installed or is being installed. Alternatively, when first launching some older games, Steam will automatically display any CD key needed for further activation. So please note that some games may not have the option to display the CD key in Steam. So to do that, again, just go to your Steam library and then just search for a Ubisoft game. For example, I'll do this one, Assassin's Creed Origins. Right click, go to manage, and then just look for CD keys right here. So as you can see, not all games from Ubisoft have CD keys. So just check everything to make sure if you have the CD keys. So unlike this one right here, Assassin's Creed Origins doesn't have a CD key. So it says right there from their website that not all games may have the option to display the CD key in Steam. So keep a note on that. So that's pretty much it on how to find the activation key from a Ubisoft game in Steam.